Sum number 7. A principal amounts to rupees 13,924 in 2 years by compound interest at 18% per annum. Find the principal. So you know A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to the power of n. Now they are saying a principal, so we don't know the principal. So principal is equal to question mark. Amounts to, so amount is equal to rupees 13,924. N is equal to 2 years. And the rate R is equal to 18 PCPA. Now substituting it in the formula, now remember we don't have P, we have A. So you have 13,924 is equal to, I'm keeping P as it is, into 1 plus R is 18 upon 100 the whole raised to the power of 2. Now we can solve this first, boys. We will solve this first. So you get 13,924 is equal to P into, now there's no denominator, so I'm putting 1. The denominator is unequal, so I'm equalizing it by cross multiplying. So you get 100 into 1 is 100 plus 18 into 1 is 18 upon 1 into 100 is 100 raised to the power of 2. So what we get over here, 13,924 is equal to P into 100 plus 18 is 118 upon 100 into 118 upon 100. Now remember, boys, you have to find out P. So now we cross multiply, and whatever is with P becomes the denominator and the rest becomes the numerator. So that is equal to 13,924 into 100 upon 118 into 118, that is P is equal to. Now if you know 118 times table, this will go once, and 118 into 118 will give you this. This will get 118. Now if you cut this and this, what remains? P is equal to 100 into 100, which is 10,000. So they asked us find the principal. So the principal is rupees 10,000. Sum number 8. The population of a suburb is 16,000. Find the rate of increase in the population if the population after 2 years is 17,640. Now I told you know that this same compound interest formula can be used in practical life. So once again we are making use of the same formula. Now let us find out what is P. Now P is equal to the initial population, which is equal to 16,000. Now coming to, they are asking you, now remember this is increase. Then they are asking you the population after 2 years. So N is equal to 2 years. You do not, they are asking you to find out the rate of increase. So R is equal to question mark. But remember, it is increase, so R is going to be positive. We don't have to make it negative, so it will be plus only. Now we will substitute it in the formula. Now when we substitute in the formula, we'll get A They're saying in the population, if the population after 2 years is 17,640, so A is equal to 17,640. Now substituting in the formula, we'll get 17640 is equal to P, which is 16,000 into 1 plus R. We do not know what is R, upon 100, the whole raised to the power of 2. So now remember, we do not know R. R is the variable. And we have 16,000 over here. And the operation between 16,000 and the bracket is multiplication. So taking 16,000 that side, because it is multiplication, it becomes division. So you have 17640 upon 16,000 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100, the whole square. Now if you check both these numbers, the number on the numerator and the number on the denominator, they both are perfect squares. And this also is a square. So now squaring both sides, so squaring both sides, that means the left hand side and the right hand side, you have square root of 17640 upon 16000 is equal to square root of 1 plus R upon 100, the whole square. So now when you find out the square root of this, the square root of this is 42. The square root of 16,000 is 40. And the square root of this is equal to 1 plus R upon 100. Because this is twice, so you take only 1. Now we will take this side. So you get 42 upon 40. Now the operation is plus. So when we bring it this side, it becomes minus, is equal to R upon 100. Now there's no denominator over here, so I put 1. They are not equal, so I equalize them by cross multiplying. So I get 42 minus 42 into 1 is 42. 1 into 40 is 40. Upon 40 into 1 is 40, is equal to R upon 100. Now 42 minus 40 upon 40 is nothing but 2 upon 40 is equal to R upon 100. Now once again cross multiply, you get 2 into 100 is equal to R into 40. Now we have to find out R. The operation, remember boys, is multiplication. So we'll get 2 into 100 upon 40 is equal to R. Now we can cut this 0 and we can cut this 0. We can say 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So now R is equal to 5 P C P A. So they want to know the rate of increase. So rate of increase is 5 P C P A.